This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Bob Corey Team. You do not want to miss this gem. Located in Settlers Park, this beautiful home features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with wood-look tile flooring throughout. Large den with high ceilings is perfect for gatherings and entertaining guests. Ally kitchen has double ovens, electric cooktop and beautiful granite countertops. Great size backyard with covered patio. Roof shingles and decking were replaced in June 2021. Air conditioner /WH 2019, plumbing replaced with PEX 2019. Easy access to Highway 6 and I-69. Just minutes away from the market at First Colony and First Colony Mall. Zoned to highly rated Fort Bend ISD Schools. Schedule your tour today because this home will not last long. Agents, please read remarks for more information. Review the details below or contact Bob Corey Team at 281-394-4608.